Hey everyone, I am Ansli from BCA First Sem Batch 1 and here I am with my presentation on the topic HTML. So first of all, I would like to thank you Ram Lakhan sir for giving me this golden opportunity to present this presentation. So without further delay, let's continue with slides. So today I am going to cover introduction of the HTML and types of HTML tags. So first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a coding language used to create websites. In simple words, HTML is like a builder for websites, like to display text, images, links, videos, forms, and layouts. Text, it means heading, paragraphs, and list. Images, which is picture, logos, and links, which is buttons, connections to other pages, and forms, input boxes, buttons, layouts, which is structure and design. Now, basic HTML concept are tags, elements, and attributes. Tags, which is paragraph, images, elements, headings, paragraphs, attribute, which is color and size. HTML is the foundation of a website, making it possible for browsers to display content and create interactive experiences. There are mainly two types of HTML tag, which is first container and second one is empty tag. Container tag, which contain opening and as well as closing tag, which is HTML head, and title. Empty tag, which is BR, image, and input, etc. Now container tag, example of container tag. Let's take an example of our daily life, online shopping. When you visit an online shopping website like Amazon, Flipkart, HTML is working behind the scenes to display product images, product description, prices, buy now buttons, forms to enter shipping and payments information. That's all for today. Thank you.